Bricklayers. Bricklayer positions in Perth, Western Australia. So, my name's Kano. I do recruitment and visas for Australia. We have ongoing hiring for bricklayers in and around Perth. So yeah, ideally, we're looking for people that are already onshore. If we can't find suitable applicants onshore, we'll be happy to look at people offshore. Now, if you're already in Australia, if you're already on a visa, if you're looking for a job as a bricklayer, maybe you've been fired, maybe your employer won't give you PR. If you need a job, give me a call. I'd want to see your updated CV and a copy of your visa, the page with the dates, the page with the occupation. Now, if you're offshore, like I said, if I can't find the right person onshore, I'll look at offshore. Now, if you're offshore, the most important is you need to have 5 years experience. You got to also have recent experience, and you need a folder of videos showing your work skills, right? So you just, your cell phone, put it on the chair, do your bricklaying stuff, make half a dozen videos, 5 minutes each, right? Put them into a Google folder. Um, Now, if you're from, let's say, actually, I'll put a list here. If you're from one of these countries, you could look at coming into Australia on the work holiday visa. You could apply for that visa yourself. It'll probably get approved overnight, instantly. If you're from one of these countries and one of these age groups, if you come in on the work holiday visa, the 417, I could be offering you a job, and I could also, if you enjoy Australia and if you like Australia and want to stay longer, I could convert that work holiday visa onto the 482 visa and then eventually onto permanent residency. Now, if you're not one of those countries, if you're from another country, yeah, 5 years experience, English exam scores like IELTS score of 5 in each section, or PT score of 36 in each section, um, proof of employment, and a bunch of videos. If you want to apply, my webpage is Cross Country Consultancy. Press the apply button, type in bricklayer, hit enter. There should be a form. Yeah, that's it. Bricklayers. Ongoing hiring, lots and lots of positions each month of the year. If you like this, press the like. If you want more stuff, press the follow button. My name's Kano. I do recruitment and visas for Australia. Cheers, mate. Bye.